Hi guys, this is your friend Crypto King. Today is April 7th. Guys, this video is only for XRP holders. So if you are holding XRP, please watch this video. I'll give you my analysis and give you the next targets on XRP. So let me take you straight on the chart and let's talk about XRP. So guys, as you remember last week, I showed you this bearish pattern on XRP's daily chart. This is called a King's Crown. It will look like a crown. Okay, so this pattern is usually a bearish pattern. So now I put the baseline here at $1.90. If you see this daily candle closing below $1.90, that is a very bearish sign, guys. But I would wait for two daily candles to close below $1.19. If that happens, guys, then that's it for XRP for this bull run. I'm telling you, XRP is gonna sell off like big time. I'll tell you the reason why. When other cryptos are still bullish, they can still go up. XRP is not. I'll give you the exact reason why, but let me show you the target. If you see two daily candles closing below 190, that is a big sell-off event. So the target would be, let me put you the target. It's gonna surprise you guys, but I'm sorry, it is what it is. Whatever I see technically, I'm showing you that this would be the target. So XRP can go down to 56 cents, guys. 56 cents. This would be the target. I will put a line there so we remember that. So let's say 57 cents to 67 cents. That's the target for XRP to go down. If just the condition is if we see two daily candles closing below 190, okay, then it is highly bearish. So now you will ask me a question that when I say other cryptos will still move up, why would XRP go down? The reason is this move, guys. XRP moved when other cryptos were still sitting here. XRP moved up 10x, and this was the time to exit XRP. I was telling you since January, February that I sold all of my XRP at around $3. And I sold some at even $220. So that was the time when I exited from XRP, and I told you I will never buy XRP unless it comes down to $1. So this was there is $160 billion were invested in XRP, which is a very big market cap. And everything was on the hopes that banks will be using XRP and this and that. I told you that thing will take at least a year or two. US has to put regulations, proper regulations, and then banks will start using it. And that will take at least 1 year. Right now, banks are not going to use XRP this year. So that's why I'm telling you guys, we may see a big sell-off because the long-term holders will get tired once they see Bitcoin closing below 190. I'm telling you, large holders, there is a concentration risk because large amount of XRP is held by few big investors. Excuse me, guys, and they are going to sell their large amount of XRP, and that's gonna push that big sell-off. And then small traders are gonna get panicked. Whoever bought XRP below $1, they will take profit because they will see XRP coming down fast. They're gonna just exit their position, and that is gonna cause a further sell-off in XRP. So that's my thesis, guys. I am showing you what I see on these charts. This pattern is normally a very bearish pattern when it comes at the top. So get ready, be careful. If I am already in profit in XRP, I would just close some of my positions, honestly speaking. Or I will wait for this daily candle. If I see this daily candle, it will close in next 7 hours, 3 minutes. If it closes below 190, we're gonna go down, guys. Simple. So be very careful with your XRP, guys. Okay, take care. Bye bye.